Hi everyone, Darko here for your weekly trade example. Oh geez, I don't even know where to start. So I will give you a full top down on what's going on within the paid membership for the past 2-3 weeks. Before I do so, I want to just make sure that you know that I'm on LinkedIn. I'm active on LinkedIn, posting some videos, screenshots, and motivational stuff. So make sure that you follow me. The next one is make sure also that you listen to our podcast. If you haven't done so, do it, and I promise you, you won't regret it. Okay? And then lastly, make sure that you sign up for the free version of our service so you get a feeling for what we are doing. Go to forexmentor.com/cc starter. That was a tongue twister. And make sure that you sign up, because I will be uploading one of the PMAs that I will talk about shortly. About the trades that we have been taking, so make sure that you don't miss that PMA. Okay. So what we have been up to for the past 3 weeks, this is the results. Okay, and as you all know, I am pointing out every trade in advance, nothing in hindsight. Okay, and all the trades are recorded, and there is PMAs within the paid membership to see that these trades were actually pointed out in advance, and many of the clients took it, and some of them are still in it. Okay, I will go through these pairs for you, and the result so far is around 1,380 pips in total, and this is by far the best summer I have ever experienced in my 17 years of trading. Okay, as you all know, the first 10 years was struggling, and then for the past 7 years I have been a professional trader. So this is the best summer ever. Okay, so let's go through these trades and show you why we took them. It's the same robotic approach as usual. So for Aussie dollar, my yearly bias is up for the reason I mentioned within the service, and then we identified rotation. Okay, so when price makes a lower low and then makes a higher high, and we have specific objective rules for rotation, we saw a rotation and price were retracing back into the first level of support. Okay, and there are also patterns, a set and forget pattern within this level, but we entered this with a lower low stop loss as a pending order when price was up in here. Okay, so this was the first reason for Aussie dollar. For CATs, we see this is trading in alignment with the underlying trend. My bias was short for the entire 2023. Price were retracing back into a level of resistance. You see that very clearly. We have a monthly retracement, we have a weekly retracement back into support. So this was the entry. We got filled in here with a higher high stop loss above this level in here. It took a while. Okay, price went even against us for some pips, and then the results came very quickly for the amount of pips that I just showed you. I think it was like around 300 pips. Yep. Okay. Next one is pound CAD. Price, my underlying bias on a yearly chart was up. Okay, price were retracing back into support. Okay, weekly retracement, monthly minor retracement. It's more a retracement on a weekly chart, and then I missed this opportunity. Okay, one client took this down in here, and then I said I missed that. But if once price made a swim break in here, this is a lower low than this previous low, and then we did some structure damage. This was the entry with the lower low stop loss aiming to the upside. Price went against us for some pips, then went up, slightly better than break even, went against us again. It was like a game of, the mental part of it. And then price hits the final target for the amount of pips that I just showed you. I think this one was just under 600 pips. Yeah, 560 pips, 570 pips. Okay, so this is hit TP1 and TP2, so this is done. And then we have the next one, Kiwi dollar. Okay, the reason for this was price was, my underlying bias for the yearly chart was up, or is up. Okay, price came down into this level. Okay, and this was the entry with the low stop loss. For me, when I saw this happening, okay, when price, I got filled in here, then price, went against me slightly, made another lower low, and then did this. Okay, so when price was down in here, I recorded a PMA and said, I am not that confident in this trade anymore. I am in doubt, so I will stay out. What I will be doing is I will be exiting at break even, and I said this when price wasn't here, and I said, regardless of the outcome, if this happens or this happens, I will be okay with it, and if price give me another opportunity to enter, I will do so. So I exited at break even. Okay, and I missed this trading opportunity. I didn't take this either. For some reason, I'm not sure if I didn't see it or if I wasn't around. No excuses. I'm just being dead honest with you. I said in the PMA that, hey, I'm exited at break even, and I told the members in the chat room, I'm out for break even. That doesn't necessarily mean that you do the same thing, and some of them exited at break even, and many of them stayed in the trade, and they made lots of pips, and there was this trading opportunity, and I missed that. So and that happens. Okay, so these are the trades that we have been up to so far, and the results has been outstanding. And I'm not hiding any losing trades or anything. Whenever we have a losing trade, I will be more than happy to show you that. And so that's what we have been up to. So make sure that you sign up for that CC starter, and we also have that summer deal still left, if I'm not mistaken. So you can join this summer for a reduced pricing. I will make sure that if that offer is still valid or due, I will make sure that Forex Mentor put a link into this video to sign up for that summer month for a discounting pricing. I just recorded on Monday, I recorded a new PMA for my paying clients to show them like 2 to 3 new fresh pending order that is on our radar. Okay, so hope you like the approach, which is all of 4 is identical. We start with the yearly chart, we go down to the monthly and weekly, looking for retracement back in line with the underlying trend. Then we go to our entry time frame and look for an entry. Either we see a pattern or we take this as a pending order with a natural stop loss. Okay, if you like this video, make sure that you give me a thumbs up to encourage me to record more of these videos for you. And if you have any questions, comments, concerns, or anything you want me to cover for you, make sure that you type in the comment box, comment below, and I will make sure that I will be reading those and do what you guys ask me to do. I will be more than happy to look at any tradable currency or stocks or commodity indices, cryptocurrencies, and I will do a full top down for you completely for free. Okay, thank you and have a nice week and weekend. Cheers.